Well, the bulb on my GE stove blew a couple of days ago, so I had to find a replacement. Got a replacement appliance bulb, and down in the back here, I don't know if you can see it, is it's the bulb. And I thought I was going to have to take it apart with take the bolts out, but there's a little wire that straps over a dome. You basically just move the wire, remove the dome, remove the bulb, and replace the bulb and put the dome back on and put that wire strap back on to hold the dome in place. Of course, you're going to want to unplug your stove from the wall and before you do this procedure. So here we go. So it's a good idea to take out the racks, give you more room to work. But as you can see, when I went to remove the bulb, the back piece broke off. So you definitely got to unplug the stove to do this, because you don't want to be poking your fingers in there with power. So there you go. That's probably a good reason why you should be unplugging the stove. This is the dome. I just cleaned it up a little bit. The stove is due for cleaning now anyway, but got this dome cleaned. And we put the bulb back in the socket here. I have a flashlight. Get down in here. Let's see if you can see it. And there you see where the bulb goes in, and that wire there straps up over the dome. So that's how you replace a bulb on one of these stoves.